Good morning students. Fundamentals of Information Technology நவம்பர் 2014 உடைய கொஸ்டின் யூனிவர்சிட்டி கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். பார்ட் ஏல ஃபஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், வாட் இஸ் இன்ட்ராநெட்? Intranet is a private network that can be accessed by authorized user. The prefix intra means internal and therefore implies a intranet is designed for the internal communication. For example, a business may create a intranet to allow employees to securely share messages and files with each other. Second one is, what is WAN? A computer network that spans is relatively large geographically area. Typically, a WAN consists of two or more local area networks. Computer connected to a wide area network are often connected through public network, such as the telephone system. Third one is, what is active cell? An active cell refers to the currently selected cell in spreadsheets. Most spreadsheet applications allows you to the specific data type for individual cells. What is data? Fourth one is, what is database? A database is a organized collection of structured information or data, typically stored electronically in computer system. The data can be easily accessed, managed, modified, updated, controlled and organized. Most databases they use structured query language SQL for writing and querying data. What is number sorting? Sorting is any process of arranging items systematically and as to common. At districts meanings ordering, arranging items in a sequence order by some creations, categorizing, grouping items with similar properties. Sixth one is, what is logic gates? Logic gate is a electronic component that can be used to conduct electricity based on a rule. The output of the gate is result applying these rules one or more inputs. These inputs may be two writes or the output of the logic gates. What is MS Word? MS Word, often called Word, is a graphical word processing program that user can type with. It is made by the computer company Microsoft. Its purpose is to allow use to the type and save documents similar to other word processor. It has helped to similar to make documents. What is hardware? Computer hardware is the collection of physical parts of computer system. That includes the computer case, monitor, keyboard, mouse. It also includes all parts inside the computer case, such as hard disk drive, motherboard, video card, many other. Computer hardware is what you can physically touch. What is modifying tables? Once a table has been created, you can further modify is by accessing shortcut means wizard, which is composed by a set of screens that are similar to the wizard screens used to create a table. For example, you can change the data used by the table, edit groups in the table and so on. 10th one is, give the expansion of RDBMS, a software system used to main relational database system. Relational database management system. Many relational database systems have an option by using an SQL structure query language. 11th one is, what is clipboard? A clipboard, temporary storage area for data. The user wants to copy from one place to another. It is word processor application. For example, the user might want to cut text from part of the document and paste in another part of the document and somewhat else. 12th one, what do you mean by PowerPoint presentation? PowerPoint presentations program developed by Microsoft. PowerPoint is often used to create business presentations but can also be used educational or internal purposes. The presentations are comprised of slides which may contain text, images and other media such as also audio clips